Today on Bloom Graphics, we're going to start a beginner guide to Adobe Dimension. We are going to start at the very beginning, so follow us and tag us on Instagram at Bloom Graphics to show us all your artwork. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. Now we're going to search on our browser www.adobe.com. That will take us to this page right here. So now we're going to click on Start Your Free Trial, and this will take us to the different prices that Adobe has. As you can see here, students and teachers have a really good discount when it comes to Adobe Creative Cloud. However, if you are trying to only get one application, it is going to be a different price point. So now in our case, we're going to search for Dimension. So if you want a little more background on Dimension, you can check right here, all the properties it contains. We can use Dimension to create 3D products that can help with branding and marketing when you're establishing a project. Adobe Dimension has various items that you can implement into an image. This includes objects such as shapes and products that you can change material and size for. Now we're going to click on Buy Now, and you can see the individual price for Adobe Dimension. As you can see here, clicking on the individual tabs, Adobe Dimension by itself is $20.99 a month without any discount. But if you choose to do the student and teacher, you get $19.99 a month for all Creative Cloud products. If you are a student and have access to your student portal, you can actually buy Adobe Creative Cloud for $15 a year. Just search your school name and the software and hardware they have. The Adobe page should pop up, and it gives you all the description and specifications for you to purchase the Adobe Creative Cloud. I am using the Cal State LA portal to buy my Adobe Creative Cloud. As you can tell here, it is $14.99 for the whole year as long as you have access to your student portal. You can open Adobe Creative Cloud on 2 different computers, and you'll have access to 100 gigabytes of cloud storage. I am going to open my Adobe Creative Cloud, and as you can see here, it shows all the applications you have available. You also have them available for mobile or your desktop. So now we're going to search for Dimension. Once you come up to the Dimension page, you're going to be able to see if it's compatible with your computer, and you're going to be able to install it on your personal computer. After it's installed, you can open up Dimension. This will take you to the Dimension homepage. Here you can open a page or create a new canvas. You can specify the size of the canvas in inches, pixels, or centimeters. It can also convert them back and forth. I set my pages at 300 pixels per inch, and when you change the resolution, it affects also the canvas size. So be mindful of that. The scene units measurements are for the objects that you're going to put in your image. Once you start the project, you can also change the settings on your right-hand side. You can also deactivate and activate the grid and change the color. With that done, we can start learning Dimension tools in our next video. Thanks for watching. Keep your eye out for the next video coming soon.